Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by PU Prime.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
China's manufacturing activity shrank for a fifth straight month in August, an official survey showed, suggesting producers are waiting for further clarity on a trade deal with the US, while domestic demand remains sluggish. Gold prices rose around 1% and were poised for their best monthly performance since April, as US inflation data reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates next month. The dollar weakened against the euro and Swiss franc to end last week, on course for a 2% decline in August against the basket of currencies, as traders prepared for a US interest rate cut by the Federal Reserve next month. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The oil dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Dutch retail sales will be released at 4:30 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate at 7 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's monetary base will be released at 23:50 GMT. China's Caixin Manufacturing PMI at 1:45 GMT. Korea's trade balance at 0 GMT.
We hope you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.